Right from the outset, they were very easy to get involved with and to communicate with. I think they are second to none in all that provision. Hi, my name is Valerie and I am a resident with Johnnie Johnson Housing. The flats are beautiful. It's not everywhere where you can get a 2-bedroom large apartment in social housing. Johnnie Johnson Housing treat everybody very well, regardless of all sorts of issues. They're very good. They're extremely good at communicating with people. I've never known anybody like them for setting up workshops, seminars. I'm very pleased to be part of it all. So Johnnie Johnson Housing produce a wonderful magazine called Voices. Part of Voices, there's always a would you like to be part of an online forum. So that's how I became involved in forums. They do listen to residents, they listen to people who participate in these things, and it's very good.